Right then, Rob. It's really black. It's probably won't show up on the camera. It's absolutely black and it's freezing. We've had 7 inches of rain 24 hours and now the skies have cleared. So I'm just going to open the garage again. I was just in there just now, but I can't see the. I came out through the indoor. Right. There's the old Beamer. Piece of shit, actually, but anyway. I'm going to close the door. I've got 2 of these garage door openers. That one, they're both free. They're both left in the house. So I put them in. Rufus calendar. There's a story behind all of these. That was Rupert when he stabbed himself up on the moors. So here's Chateau Kemble. This is where I live. All the XS 1100 engine on there. And yeah, it needs tidying up. It's a mess. There's the old 2160 that I'm just doing some work to. Belongs to a guy I know. I love T160s. I'll share all the bikes actually. Least but not last. No, least but last. Richard's little Yamaha Raz. It's quite fun actually. My dirt bike, which I got free. Richard's SV650. We modified it. It originally was a sports bike. But I put headlight on it in brackets. Changed the bars, put handlebar risers on it. Basically turned it into a street bike. It's a really quick bike actually. It's just a 650, but it's fast. Very, very fast. It's Richard's Honda CB400. He's had this bike since 2005. I think he's when he bought it. He's had it a long time. There's the old Triumph. The old 750 Bonnie. Yeah. As I say, takes a licking, keeps on ticking. Yeah. And there's my Enfield. I mortgaged my soul to buy this. It was cheap, but of course they sting you with interest rates. I actually filled out a credit app for it and thought I may not get it, they may show me the door, but actually said, no, come pick your bike. so I did, and I've been paying for it ever since. But anyway, it's a great bike, I love it. It's very smooth. I love riding it. It's very smooth, it's quick. It's way quicker than you'd ever expect of one of these. It's hard to I don't know what to compare it to really. It's certainly a lot quicker than the Triumph. It's just totally smooth and it's very effortless. And this is the 500, which, as I say, is made from pieces. I bought this for $200. I've got another video somewhere. When I bought it, it came with a frame, but I had to modify it. The main problem was that it had a ridiculous lean angle on there, and some super extended forks, which I gave away. So I had to cut the headstock off and re-weld it back on again. And it actually seems to be pretty straight. It's got a Kawasaki Z400 front wheel. There's Honda CB500 front disc rotor. The brake caliper, I'm not even sure where that's from. I just saw it lying around. The speedometer was actually a Honda CB550 speedometer that I modified. I don't know if you can see all the detail there, but I turned it into a chronometric. The handlebars are the ones that I got with me Enfield when I first got it, and I changed them. The engine is a little 500 Daytona, it's a twin, there's no carburetor on it yet. There's the battery box, and I just think, the points cover is a piston off a Norton Commander that I chopped the top off. As I said, it's not finished yet. It is wired. I've even got a battery for it. I'm just waiting for some odds and ends for it. I don't know if you can actually see. I probably should move it really, but quite a pretty little bike. It's got a filter down there. Yeah, 500. The exhaust pipes. Well, these are obviously Harley ones. Drag pipes off a Sportster. But these, they're actually originally off a Commando. And of course they're completely the wrong profile. So I've had to cut them and reshape them, reprofile them. So that's it really. There's some pictures here. There's one of the, you probably recognise that one. There's Richard on his SV, that's when it was in its sports bike day. Silas on his Guzzi. There's a whole bunch of us there. A couple of friends of mine, Richard and Silas. And there's me and Charlie Borman. He was a funny fellow. Anyway, this is the old man cave. And this is what Rupert thinks of me. It says here, what does it say? It says beer and cinnamon buns route followed by a late night. Trust me, it's brilliant. And that's me. Very flashing. And that's one of his cars. Did I just show you that? I remember. I had problems with my camera, so I've never filmed this twice. This garage is 28 feet by 55 feet, and there's a floor above too, but I need to make a staircase for it because I have to access it from outside. There's nothing up there really. Wood, that's about it. But it's quite a space. And I've got bits of the old Fleetwood in here. Mainly the seats and stuff like that. So it's pretty full at the moment. But look at that. Easy LBs again. I'd absolutely love to have this. But that won't happen. But you can dream. Okay then, I will get this loaded up and I'll send it off to you.